Do you want to take advantage of specialized tax incentives to enhance profits and increase cash flow? With so many tax incentives going away and tax season right around the corner, how are you going to do that? Let me show you how. Let's meet John. John is a successful businessman. He's happy. He owns a couple of commercial properties, he's loving life, and John made more money than expected this year. So what's the problem with John? The problem is John has a partner. In fact, all people, all business owners have a partner that likes to take their half. And that partner's called Uncle Sam. So what's really going to happen is Uncle Sam's going to move that money over to his side and leave John with the scraps. Why? Because John has a huge tax liability that he didn't expect, and now he doesn't know what to do about it. Normally, when John has all of this money, he has a lot of deductions, so he has a lot of his money left over. He used to be able to deduct things like travel, office expenses, meals, and more. When it's all said and done, John is used to having a few $100,000 left over, thinking that he's going to have to pay taxes on that. Under the current tax plan, money that John spent that used to be fully tax deductible isn't anymore. Now is the time that everyone's feeling the huge impact from the removal and the changes of so many tax incentives. John not only has to pay taxes upwards of 50% on what's left over, he also has to pay taxes on all those things that he's already spent money on. Now's the time that most CPAs and tax professionals are scrambling to see what tax deductions and tax incentives are left. That's where we come in. We have proprietary software that searches hundreds of local, state, and federal tax credits in real time. We take a look at cost segregation, taking elements of a building and allocating them to their proper time frame. Most of the time, a building is allocated over 39 years, which is inaccurate because it doesn't allow you to capture that money. What cost segregation does is it takes a look at all these components and moves them to the proper year allocation, creating a dollar benefit for you that you can use to offset your tax liability. John decides to do a cost segregation study on his property. Now he can get some of his money back. We've been able to help businesses like hotel owners, manufacturing facility, restaurant owner, automobile dealership, or even a funeral home. We are here to help you. So click on the link and use our free software to get your personalized feasibility report today before tax season runs out.